Then from there, of course, if you really want to be a writer, you'll have to learn to format your books by yourself. Otherwise, it can get expensive really quick. So for me, I invested time in learning how to format my books, how to create my own book covers, because I created this out of Canva. Canva is a good, a little piece. It's an app where you can create all kinds of graphics for quotes and books and anything. This one I also created out of Canva. They have a free and a paid version. I've tried both. The paid version is pretty cool, but not necessary, because I think I tried it for maybe a month and that's it. But all these, this one I used the free version. This one I hired someone to make for me actually, and it was good. But when I realized I'll be doing books a lot, I figured I might as well learn to do some of these things. But it's good to invest in a good designer to do the book cover, because all these designs are what will help sell your books and people be attracted to your cover before even they read your material, right?